If you want to use Google Maps on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, all you have to do is go to the list of apps, and then over here you should be able to find the Google Maps app. So let's open it, and there we go. So over here we need to press OK, and we can start searching for our destination. You can also use these categories in order to try to find something generally, like restaurants, coffee, places, and so on and so forth. You can also use search in order to search for something specific. You can write the name of the street, for example, but over here, for the first time, once we go over here, we need to agree to use precise location. And then we can write the name of our destination. So I'm just gonna write, for example, Paris. There we go. And let's search. And let's see if we can actually get results. Perhaps we will be able to get results. In theory, we can also switch to this map over here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna load. Yeah, there we go. So here we have our map that we can use as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.